Hi friends, welcome to More Tales. In this video, we are going to see about 10 uses of coconut trees. Do you know? All parts of coconut trees are useful in some ways. So watch the video fully and you get the knowledge of coconut tree uses. So let's start the video. This is the first use most people think of. You can eat the fruit of a coconut tree, and this is the plant's most common use. Coconuts can be eaten either raw or cooked, and they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Before you can eat a coconut, the white flesh of a fruit needs to be separated from the outer hard shell. Freshly grated coconuts can be easily added to your recipes, or you can store it in refrigerators for a few days. The second thing you can make from the coconut flesh is coconut milk. Coconut milk is also very popular. It is widely used in many Asian countries, especially in South India. Sri Lanka and Thailand, it is usually used to thicken soups and stews, and you can also use it as a substitute for milk if you have a milk allergy. To make coconut milk, you can either squeeze grated coconuts in water with your hands. This produces a milder version, or you can stick them in a blender with a little water. This produces a thicker version. The third thing you can make from the coconut flesh is coconut oil. Coconut oil is an excellent hair conditioner. You can apply the coconut oil to your hair and scalp and rinse after a few minutes. This will make your hair soft and shiny and improves the health of hair by reducing hair fall. Coconut milk is also an ideal ingredient to be added in homemade face mask in place of water. The fourth thing you can make from the coconut flesh is coconut flour, which is available in markets nowadays. The flour is often used as a gluten-free substitute. The second useful part of the coconut tree is coconut water, a healthy, refreshing drink. Coconut water is different from coconut milk. When you break the hard shell to open the fruit, it has a mildly sweet water inside it that is known for its extreme health benefits. This wonderful natural drink is very popular during the summer season. The third useful part of the coconut tree is the oil for cooking skin and hair, which is extracted from the coconut flesh, which I have already told you, but this will give you more information about the coconut oil. Coconut oil is quite popular nowadays due to its unique attractive flavor. It's even used as a replacement for butter in many recipes. This oil has a higher saturated fat content than oils such as olive or canola, so its impact on health is a controversial subject. The lauric acid in coconut oil is believed to be excellent for health. However, due to the fact that it boosts immunity and can protect against several illnesses. Coconut oil is not just for cooking though, it is a great conditioner for hair too. The use of coconut oil in hair can make dry hair soft and silky. In many parts of the world, it is very common to massage young babies with coconut oil, since it is believed to be healthy for the skin of babies. The fourth useful part of the coconut tree is the cells, to steam food, craft, and to make charcoal or activated carbon. If you don't know what is activated carbon, go to our channel No Tales, and there you find the video Go Natural with Activated Carbon Uses, and click onto that and you can watch the video. It is the full brief of activated carbon uses. So, the hard shell of the fruit is useful too. It is traditionally used in homes to steam food. The cells are also a popular craft material. Many beautiful crafts items are made out of coconut shells. You can easily color the shells and carve them into beautiful art pieces. Children use them for playing as well. The fifth useful part of the coconut tree is the husk, a natural scrubber and craft material. There are a number of uses of the coconut husk. They can be used as a natural scrubber to clean dinner plates, cups, other vessels, and even the floor. Coconut husks are also used as a craft material to create many beautiful things. For example, you can color it and use it as a hair for doll. The sixth part is ropes, which is extracted from the husks. It is given separated because it is a more important thing, and it will give you the more brief about ropes from the husk. So this is one of the major uses of coconuts, at least for the many people who make a living with it. People in many rural areas make their living from making ropes out of coconut husk, and it is a profitable business. This is actually a difficult task and requires immense manual labor. However, people work in large groups in kaya factories to make ropes and mats from the husk of coconuts. So, if you have a good manual labor and investment, you can make profit by running the kaya factory. Seventh useful part of coconut tree leaves thatching. People have used these leaves to make fences as well as roofs for their small huts, and in many places people still use them for thatching. They are cost effective and provide shelter for many people who cannot afford the cost of other materials. Sometimes they are used not only for making the roofs but to make the walls of houses as well. Making houses from the palm leaves may not be the best option as they can't survive extreme weather conditions, and there are safety concerns, but in many places people still rely on the tree to create shelter. The eighth useful part of coconut tree is the sticks, brooms. Coconut leaves have thick sticks that can be used to make brooms for your home. It is really easy to assemble the sticks together and tie them with a thread to make the broom. People make coconut brooms for both domestic and commercial use. The ninth useful part of the coconut tree is the wood. Fires in traditional kitchens. The coconut husks, shells, leaves, leaf stem and flower stem are used for fire in traditional kitchens. In place of many coconut trees, finding the wood is not easy and is quite expensive task. So the parts of coconut trees can be used to fire. The 10th useful part of the coconut tree is the flowers, medicine. The coconut flowers have many medicinal uses. They are an ingredient in many traditional remedies, especially medicine for new mothers. So from this video I learned that there is no waste of coconut tree. All are useful in coconut tree. So if we want to do something good for society, then you can plant a coconut tree in your garden or roadside. And if you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell. Thank you friends. We shall meet